In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Truist Mobile Banking account. Online banking has become a vital part of our daily lives, making it convenient and hassle-free to manage your finances from anywhere. So let's walk through the simple process of logging into your Truist Mobile Banking account together. First things first, you need to have the Truist Mobile app installed on your device. Make sure your app is up to date because it helps to ensure you have the latest features and security updates. You can easily find the app in the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once you have the app available and ready, go ahead and tap on it to open. Now that you're in the app, you'll see the login screen where you'll begin the process. Here, you'll need to enter your user ID. This is the unique identifier associated with your account, so make sure you have it handy. As you do this, it's important to ensure accuracy in case your keyboard's autocorrect tries any unwanted changes. Double checking here can save a lot of time and potential frustration later. Once you've entered your user ID correctly, you'll notice a little checkbox next to the phrases AVE user ID. If your device is secure and you are comfortable doing so, you can check this box to streamline your login process in the future. This way, you won't need to enter your user ID each time you log in, making your banking even more convenient. However, if others occasionally have access to your phone, you might prefer to leave this unchecked for security reasons. Moving on, it's time to type in your password. Just like with your user ID, your password should be treated with the utmost care to ensure your account remains secure. If you're using a password manager, you can use it to autofill the password field here. Ensure that you avoid any typos because too many failed attempts could temporarily lock your account. Now all your details are correctly entered. Look for the sign in button. Go ahead and tap on it. The app will then begin to process your login details, and within a few moments, you should be safely and securely inside your Truist mobile banking account, ready to manage your funds, pay bills, or perform any other banking activity you need to do today. If you encounter any issues while logging in, such as forgetting your user ID or password, there are usually options available on the login page like Forgot User ID or Forgot Password links, which can assist you in recovering your information. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access your Truist mobile banking account. Remember that keeping your login credentials secure is important, so use strong, unique passwords and change them regularly. Keep your app updated and your phone secure, and you'll maintain both safety and convenience in your banking life. Thanks for watching and happy banking.